Hi everyone, welcome to Software Talks with Kannababu. So in the last video I discussed about what is web application. So today's our topic is what is the difference between static web application and dynamic web application. So web application is multi-user application. Whenever you develop any web application, we have to deploy that application on the server so that multiple users will access that application via browser and internet. So it is a multi-user application. These web applications are basically divided into two types: static web application and dynamic web application. Static web application means the application whose output is common for all the users. That type of application is called as static web application. How many users will connect also? For all the users the output will be same. That type of application is static web application. Example, you take Wikipedia. Whoever will open that website, everyone can see the content. The content is same for all the users. That is a static web application. Similarly, you can consider some W3 schools or movie review websites. These all are static applications. Whoever will open the website, everyone can see the content. That's it. Display the content purpose, we can go for static web application. So if you want to develop static web application, we have to learn UI technologies, HTML, JavaScript and CSS. So dynamic web application means what? The application whose output will change based on user or location or time or search. That type of applications are called as dynamic web applications. For example, you can take Facebook, Gmail, IRCTC, Redbus, Flipkart, Amazon. These all are dynamic web application. From one user to another user, the output will change. That is dynamic web application. Okay. For example, if I log into Facebook with my username and password, I can see my friends list. Another user will log into the same Facebook application with his username and password. He can see his friends list. From one user to another user, the content is changed. That is dynamic web application. Or if I open some IRCTC, I will try to search trains based on my from place and to place. I can see my train details. Another user will search the trains based on his from place and to place. The search result will change. So that is also dynamic web application. Okay, based on search, that data will be changed from one user to another user. That is dynamic web application. Or you take some Swiggy. If I order any food in Swiggy, I can see the restaurants near to my location. And another person ordered the food in same Swiggy app, and he can see the restaurant in his nearby his location. But let us assume both ordered the same food, but the content is what changed. The locations is changed. So location based applications. From one location to another location, the content is changed. That type of application is also called as dynamic web application. Is it clear? Similarly, you can take the share market websites. Based on the time, the share value will change. Or if you take some Google news, is it clear? For every particular time period, the news will change. These type of applications are called as dynamic web applications. Dynamic web application means the application whose output will change based on user or location or time or search. That type of applications are called as dynamic web applications. So we can develop dynamic web applications by using programming languages, technologies, frameworks, database software, some tools. Now combination of all these things we can develop some mostly we can develop dynamic web applications by using Java, .NET, Python, PHP, MeanStack. By using all these things, you can develop the dynamic web applications. If you want to develop the application in Java, you have to learn Java technologies like JSP, servlets, is it clear? Or Spring Boot. If you want to develop dynamic web application by using .NET, you can develop by using ASP.NET, ASP.NET MVC, .NET Core, some ADO.NET Entity Framework. Dynamic web application will have database because the data will be stored permanently. Is it clear? So, if you take any websites like Swiggy is also maintaining some database. Huge amount of information is stored in the database. Now when you develop the application, that application must communicate with the database. Static web application cannot communicate with the database. Dynamic web application can interact with the database. So one application required, database is also required. Develop the application, one technology is required. Communicating with the database, another technology is required. So if you want to develop dynamic web application by using .NET, you have to learn ASP.NET, ASP.NET MVC, .NET Core, you can develop. Is it clear? Java means, I already discussed. Python, they have to learn Python, Django, Flask. But any dynamic web application also will take the support of programming, UI technologies. HTML, JavaScript, CSS, these three are mandatory. With the support of UI technologies plus server-side technologies, plus database-related technologies, plus database-related software, then only dynamic web application is possible. Mostly e-commerce applications, you can go for Amazon, Flipkart, some online shopping applications, is it clear? All some IRCTC, Redbus, these are railways, similarly hospital, healthcare domain applications, insurance applications, networking, warehouse domain applications, these all comes under dynamic web applications. I hope you understood. So today we discussed about difference between static web application and dynamic web application. If you like the video, if you please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and any more new updates if you want, you can type in the comment box. Thank you. We'll catch you in the next video.